A lot of seniors have been taught one simple rule: eat less so you can live longer. It sounds responsible, it sounds healthy. But here's the surprising part that most people never hear. Many seniors who eat very small meals actually age faster. Their muscles shrink, energy drops, and they feel weaker, even though they're being careful. That alone shows something isn't right with the old advice. The truth is, aging speeds up not because you're eating too much food, but because your cells aren't getting the right kind of food. Think of your body like a garden. If the soil is poor, even the strongest seeds struggle to grow. But when the soil is rich and nourished, everything becomes stronger and more alive. Your cells work the same way. When they don't get the nutrients they need, they dry out, weaken, and break down faster, even if you're eating light meals. This leads us to the real root cause of rapid aging: low cellular energy and chronic inflammation. No complicated science here. Just imagine the tiny energy centers inside your cells, your mitochondria, like phone batteries. A strong battery keeps everything running smoothly. A weak battery drains faster, slows you down, and makes daily tasks harder. The beautiful news is that food can act like a charger for those batteries. That's where longevity meals come in. Not fad diets, not extreme plans, just simple foods that help your body calm inflammation and feed your mitochondria. Research suggests that when seniors eat more of these foods, many notice better strength, clearer thinking, and steadier energy. This is the part doctors rarely explain, but it makes a bigger difference than most medications. The first strategy is adding more omega-3 rich foods. These include salmon, sardines, walnuts, flaxseed, and chia. Omega-3s may help calm the quiet inflammation that affects your joints, heart, and brain. You don't need big servings. 2 or 3 times a week is enough to support comfort, memory, and mood. If you dislike fish, a breakfast bowl with yogurt, walnuts, and ground flaxseed works beautifully. The second strategy is increasing polyphenol-rich foods. These are the natural colors found in berries, olives, green tea, and herbs like rosemary. Think of polyphenols like gentle protectors that help shield your cells from daily wear and tear. A simple way to use this is to add one colorful plant food to each meal. Blueberries with breakfast, spinach with lunch, olive oil or herbs at dinner. The colors you see are often the nutrients your body has been missing. The third strategy is eating enough protein. This is one area where many seniors fall short. Protein may help rebuild muscle, protect bones, support balance, and keep mitochondria strong. You don't need bodybuilder amounts, just steady daily intake, about 20 to 30 grams per meal from meat, eggs, chicken, turkey, beans, fish, or plain Greek yogurt. And here's a helpful twist. Seniors often feel better when they eat protein earlier in the day. A protein-rich breakfast may support steadier energy, better appetite control, and stronger muscles. Before we move on, here's a gentle bonus tip. Meals that combine these 3, omega-3s, colorful plants, and protein, may create a powerful longevity plate. Think grilled salmon with olive oil and steamed greens, or a berry yogurt bowl with walnuts and chia seeds. Even a simple plate of eggs, spinach, and avocado can nourish your body in ways that support aging gracefully. When you start eating this way, something small but powerful begins to happen. Your cells feel supported, your energy improves, your strength becomes easier to maintain, and daily life begins to feel a little lighter, a little steadier, and a lot more hopeful. Aging becomes less about decline and more about nourishment. If you want a step-by-step senior-friendly plan that shows exactly how to build these meals, check out the Eat Well, Live Strong guide linked below. It's designed to help adults over 50 eat for energy, strength, and long-term vitality. On your screen right now, you'll see another video seniors are curious about, titled, "Does creatine really boost bone health in older adults?" What researchers are discovering may surprise you. Before you leave, tell me in the comments, which of these simple meal strategies will you try this week?